Hi, welcome to another Drive with Care video. I love comments. I love that people drop comments and interact, not only with me, but with other viewers as well. And I've had a request. I love a request. Elliot Hogbin says, I was wondering if I could make a little request. Of course you can. I sound like a Radio 1 DJ. I wondered if you could do a little drive down Simmons Road in Canterbury and around Wincheap Industrial Estate, doing the hazards of moving vehicles and parked lorries. Your wish is my command, Elliot Hogbin. I'm now here in the supermarket car park. Wincheap Industrial Estate is just down the road. So we'll give it a shot and we will see what hazards we shall see. So we're leaving the car park space. I think this should only take about 10 minutes, to be quite honest. But I've not done an industrial estate drive before. Lots of hazards, trucks, delivery vehicles, traffic galore, traffic lights, pedestrians. Yellow and red squares to denote hazards. Drop me a comment if you see any that I don't see. I'll use my indicators wherever I can, even if I'm in a supermarket, because people need to know what I'm doing. So on the left-hand lane at these traffic lights, let's pop into this lane. Now the lane is filtering left anyway. There's no pedestrians around, so I'm not indicating. So to do the industrial estate, I've got to drive down through Wincheap. So we're going to do that first. Then come in at Simmons Road at the bottom end. And there are three routes on the industrial estate. So I'll go down Simmons Road, down the next one, back up Simmons Road, back through the middle of it, and then end up back at the supermarket. Traffic parked on the right hand side, so vehicles are coming out into the road, but there's enough room for two cars, so that's fine. Pedestrian with a child. This car angling to turn right into the junction. Car coming out. Saw that. It's very much a case of give and take on these roads, because people coming out of junctions will just go for it, and you can't criticise them because you've done it yourself. Quite a few pedestrians around. Traffic lights are red ahead. Just keeping alert, everything around me. So because we're going into an industrial estate, there's probably going to be lorries, vans, and we're going to have to kind of manoeuvre past them. So we'll turn left into Simmons Road. It's not the kind of route I would normally do unless I was coming to pick something up here at the industrial estate. But if anything, keep aware of the kind of services that you can get here. Because if you suddenly realise, oh, I need a new clutch, where can that happen? They do Mr. Clutch here. Car's parked on my side, there's an oncoming vehicle, car reversing out. Right, I can go for this, there is an oncoming vehicle, so I shall give way. Put my indicators on so the cars behind me know I want to pull out. All good. So that first stretch of Simmons Road had nothing to present. Going down there later. Giveaway junction, nothing coming left or right, so out we go. Down into Maynard Road. Go outdoors. Skiing, running, riding, cycling. Pedestrians crossing the road. Fab Furniture. Euronics. Iceland there. Tool station. I'm mentally registering all the different shops that are here just in case I suddenly need to use them. Road swings round. No obstructions. Got some cones there. There's a car coming. Got a bit of delivery going on. Guy with a sack barrow. An eatery, could have pedestrians walking up behind it. Oncoming vehicle, so I shall give way. Oh, he's turning in. Go back down Simmons Road and then cut through into the middle and then come back out of my Maynard Road, just to make it interesting. Pedestrians on the left. Taxi coming out, white van. I'm going left anyway. Cushman Road. Royal Mail delivery. Is he going to open his door to swing out to get past it? So much for a hazardous industrial estate. Perhaps that's what it's always like here, eh? Just a pleasant little drive. Probably a great place to learn to drive, actually. And then we go back to the supermarket. Relatively easy run, what do you think? Right, they've got traffic calming measures ahead, and it's my priority over oncoming traffic. Pedestrian in the road. Not many delivery vehicles on this little run, eh? Let's go left. What does the pedestrian want to do? He hadn't stepped out into the road, so I didn't need to give way. He was waiting for me. Had he stepped out, I'd have let him have priority. Because that's the new rules of the road, right? I don't normally go forward in, but the situation required it. So there you go, Wincheap Industrial Estate. Quite a relatively easy drive. Thanks for the tip off there, Elliot. And if anybody else has any ideas, then drop me a comment, let me know. You know, if you want me to drive the Highlands of Scotland, it'll take some time getting there, but I could do it. My little, I'll put a link to it up here, but the road that I did when I was in Scotland, the A82 to Fort William, it's just going crazy. People love watching that one, despite the hazardous driver that was on it. Anyway, I'll call it quits there. That was Wincheap Industrial Estate. Thanks for watching, bearing with, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now. Drive with care.